All right, hey, this is Jenny Jones. What I want to do is thank you all for just showing up for AI Week and supporting the channel and participating in the AI giveaway. Now, what I wanted to do is I couldn't go live. I had so many things going on this week, and you can see I got out a couple of videos. Next week is going to be a couple more things going to be happening, dropping with AppSumo. But one of the things I wanted to do is I want to make sure that I at least recorded the fact that you can all see the giveaway. You can see that there's no shenanigans or anything like that. So what you see in front of you now is you see the screen. Let's see if I can have something with the date come up. Probably can't do that, but the date right now, the time, it is Saturday, August 2nd, and it is 6:49 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So as you can see right here, this is just so that you'll know that I haven't ran anything yet. This is the dashboard. Let me go back so you can see that I haven't started it yet. Oh, let me do this. I'll do that, and I'll go back to it, and you can see as I click to it, you can actually go and see that I have not started it yet. So I'm just going to click it really quick. The way the King Sumo works is once people enter in, there's all these contestants here. There's 18 contestants and 969 entries. This is probably the most that we've done because we did 32 here, but we had a little bit less entries, and the entries work where you get rewarded points for different things that you do. So let's take a look at it here. So I'm going to click ready to award, and you're going to see who's going to win. So make sure I'll email you and let you know when you'll be able to pick up your award and or have AppSumo place the tool inside of your account. All right, so let's click on ready to award here. All right, so the winner is Carlos. He's in my community. That's easy. If you are tier 4, you need to make sure that you get in the private community and all that other stuff. So again, he is in there. He was able to get 78 entries, and he is in. So congratulations to Carlos. Way to go. And I will be connecting with you and reaching out to you, and we will go from there. Hey, you guys, there's a lot of things happening. This week on AppSumo coming up, there's going to be a couple of things. Monday is a big drop. They have a big bundle drop. That's going to be crazy, right? The big bundle drop is going to be crazy. We're going to look at that. They won't have that many. So I just want you to know that they won't have that many. And two more things that are coming up is I'm releasing my YouTube Masterclass. I'm looking at the date when I have that due. That is going to be due sometime in the next 2 weeks. And then I have my digital real estate master classes, which is going to be coming up by the end of the month. So in the next 4 weeks. So I got a lot of training. The game is changing. I want to teach you guys some new things that I'm seeing out here that's still working out here. And thank you guys again. I really do appreciate it. If I don't get an opportunity to thank you enough, for supporting the channel, I want to tell you right now, I thank you, and thank you guys for allowing the community to grow and flourish. And we're all coming up together, growing together. I do have a hack pack. I have 2 hack packs that are coming up, and they're going to be pretty big. I'm still trying to work through some of the details, but we're going to see what happens. All right, you guys take care. Thanks. Bye for now.